Thank you, Sunil Bhai and Mr. Printer. We have two stalwarts in our booth at Ankit Gems in the IIJS today, and I'm so happy to have them here. And since both of them were here, we started discussing about what partnerships we can create and how we can make a win-win situation for all of us and prosper together. So, Printer sir, you are doing an amazing work all over India. IGI is the brand everybody connects with for jewelry certification as well as diamond certification. What are the plans ahead?
Oh, the plans ahead are massive, especially for India. Um, the amount of crowd that I see here, we are nowhere close to a recession. In fact, we are only getting higher and growing all the way up. India is a booming economy, and I'm very happy to be associated with Arun Bhai, his father, and now Ankit. We have a long-standing relationship with him. He's into fancy shapes. He's into also colored diamonds, and he's into everything what a consumer wants. And
मेरे को तो ये लगता है कि अभी आने वाला टाइम डायमंड का ही है और आईजीआई डायमंड की वजह से जो बूस्ट हम लोगों को मिला है शायद वो इस साल बहुत ज़्यादा मेरे को तो ग्रोथ नज़र आ रही है क्योंकि आईजीआई ने कस्टमर को एक कॉन्फिडेंस दिया है ऐसा कि आईजीआई सर्टिफिकेट खरीदो तो हर चीज़ की एक वैल्यू है, ऑथेंटिसिटी है। तो उस चीज़ का मेरे को लगता है कि आने वाला टाइम डायमंड का बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लरिश है।
see, the thing is, it's very important that you are independent. At the same time, your stakeholders are also trustworthy. Trust is an inherent feature in this industry. If you have trust, you have everything.
आईजीआई ने एक वो ट्रस्ट बिल्ड कर दिया है।
Yes.
तो वो जब माल बेचना पड़ता है तो जब बात होती है कि आईजीआई है तो उसकी एक बेचने में कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल एक अलग हो जाता है। और जब शेप्स आ गई है तो पहले राउंड दिखता था, अब शेप्स का ट्रेंड आ गया तो कॉन्फिडेंस माल बेचने के लिए और ज़्यादा आगे से आगे आ गया।
Yes.
So the trust before used to be between the diamond manufacturer and the retailer, and from retailer to the consumer. IGI has put a hallmark on that trust that okay, whatever we all in the different segments of the industry are doing is doing the right and giving the consumers the right confidence to buy diamonds. And thanks to IGI and of course thanks to retailers like Jaipur Diamonds, Sunil sir, वो confidence consumers तक पहुंचाते हैं and he's trying to make the diamonds look beautiful in the different jewelry designs they make. सर डिजाइनिंग में फैंसी शेप्स में क्या लगता है आगे कैसी डिमांड रहेगी?
आगे आने वाला टाइम जो फैंसी शेप्स का है मेरे को लगता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा कस्टमर की इंक्वायरीज है। अभी वो कन्वर्ट कितनी होती है पर मेरे को लगता है काफ़ी कन्वर्ट होगी क्योंकि कस्टमर्स के पास राउंड डायमंड की ऑलरेडी काफ़ी क्वांटिटी है। अब वो शेप्स के अंदर जाना चाहते हैं और शेप्स की बाइंग करना चाहते हैं। अभी इंक्वायरी है, कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी उसकी।
A star is born. That is what I see for Ankit Gems.
So the star was born in 1985 and now it is prospering even further, of course with the help of labs like IGI and customers like Sunil Bhai from Jaipur Diamonds.
See, the thing is, it's holistic environment. Everything has everybody together has to create transparency and awareness. More awareness and transparency, you get more customers coming towards you instead of running away from you. So that is what we all three believe.
And that's all we all have to make it happen in India. I think everybody says that the next 10 years belongs to India, and hopefully not even 10 years, the next 2-3 decades belong to India. Modi sir has आप भी मोदी है लेकिन नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने भी is made sure that India grows in the right way. We all have to make sure that we give the consumers what they need in the right way.
And the last comment is that diamonds originated
From India.
from India in the Golconda mines somewhere in the Andhra Pradesh. Now it's gone all around the world and has come back home to roost. And we have the ownership of diamonds in India now.
And India is the second largest market of diamonds now, diamond jewelry. we have to make sure that we make it the largest market in the world, and the potential is there. We all have to work with partnerships to make it happen.